Hi, everyone, and welcome to JSA TV, where we're coming to you today live from the floor of PTC 2026, covering the latest stories, trends, news, and innovation from leaders across the digital infrastructure industry. I'm Barb Mitchell, and I'm very pleased to be joined today by Sam Rabinowitz, CEO of LANTANA LED. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
We were just talking about, how the week is going so far at PTC. You had a fairly easy, hopefully, commute over. Such an amazing week full of so many great conversations, people coming from far and wide to come to this great event. And very excited to be talking to you and hear all about what's the latest and what's new at Lantana.
Barb, so much is new, and it's really exciting. This past year, we had great success in product development. So we rolled out 3 specific products for the data center industry, very targeted towards the trends within data center construction. So looking at aisle construction, looking at prefabrication, and then looking at speed to install as well. Speed to install, obviously essential for data center owners at this point. We've heard that message loud and clear and are designing the product specifically to really enable that from a lighting perspective, which, again, many people don't think about lighting as a particular issue or anything of concern. However, just remember that you still need lights in order to receive your certificate of occupancy.
Right.
And frequently it's left as an afterthought, and that is a mistake because you get subpar products with that fail very quickly, and you don't think about total cost of ownership.
Yeah. So have you been having some good conversations with folks this week?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What are you seeing as some of the trends that are hitting the industry?
Yeah, I think all of us are feeling that pressure of we are all under the gun to deliver on this massive increase of capacity, on this massive scaling of the industry itself here in the United States and globally itself. And with the labor constraints being what they are, it is very difficult for us to be able to do that in the next 3 to 5 years, where we need to basically double, triple capacity of the existing infrastructure. The only way that we're going to really achieve that as an industry, in my view, is prefabrication. So we've been working specifically with prefabricated hack manufacturers, with prefabrication in mind. Our own history as a company, we didn't start out as a lighting company. We actually started out as a prefab modular construction company ourselves. So we've been working with these prefab vendors to really focus on delivering that scale that is necessary and in the only manner that's really going to do it, which is in the factory.
So tell us a little bit. I know you have some things coming up that maybe next time we chat
Yes.
we'll be talking about. But what else? What can you tell us? What's on the horizon for Lantana LED this year?
Yeah, we're really excited. And come March at DCD New York with JSA, we'll be announcing a huge item for us that we've been working on all of last year and are very excited to really be able to hit the ground running with that in March. But really what we're honed in on is delivery. And we've worked very hard in increasing our capacity this past year in order to service the markets ahead of us. So we now are able to complete an entire data center per week. And at this point, we're continuing to increase that capacity because demand is scaling, even as we speak.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait till March. It's going to be some exciting things. We'll be chatting with you again. It's only a couple months away.
Indeed.
But thank you. It's always such a pleasure to catch up.
Likewise,
to see you. And thank you for taking the time to join us on JSA TV.
Thank you.
And thank you to our viewers for tuning in today as we come to you today live from the floor of PTC 2026. Until next time.